Okay, let's go ahead and try to see how we can recognize an entry to get our 2-tick scalping trade. Okay, first thing is, it's at 3:30 Hawaii Standard Time. Market's just open. We're on the 512 tick chart. Okay, so what we recognize right here immediately that we have a 4 top resistance level. Okay, right there. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to have the breakout to the upside so we can take a long trade. Okay, so when we do this, okay, here's the moving average. On the chat room, I'll usually say breakout on the MA, the moving average. If you look over here, this is the moving average. I want to take a breakout trade above that. So if it hits it, it'll take a long trade. Now, if we wanted to do a short trade, because we never know which direction this thing is going to go. If you want to take a short trade, where do we want to put it? Okay, conservatively, we can use the cyan as a breakout to go down towards the VWAP. But because we're doing the tick chart and we wanted to play it tight, our last level of resistance would be right here. That would be the breakout to the short side. Okay, that would be over here at 88. Okay, so we would take the breakout here going down, and then we would use the moving average here to go up. So how do we set that? First of all, we got to set our two tick trigger. Okay, so we come over here, we go to the bracket. Okay, we turn off our stops because we don't want stops. We want to use our 2-tick trigger. So we're going to just modify this to 2 ticks. Okay, immediately right there at the moving average, we're going to set our long there, and there's our target. Okay, we recognize our short at 88. Okay, we want to set our short right there. Okay, now we're going to see which way it breaks out. Whichever way it breaks out, we're going to take that trade and take our profit. Okay, so here we go. It's just a waiting game. Okay, we're going to be patient and see where it goes from there. Okay, here's our entry, here's our target. Okay, we watch as the price goes up and we want the breakout out of here. Okay, there's the breakout, took our trade at 89.50. Okay, based on all level 2s, we got big level 2s here. Okay, we look for it to go up and hit our target at 2 ticks. Immediately when it hits our target, we can close out the trade. Then we look for the next entry.